Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting question to address. Can you invest 100 Rs in crypto? Let's find out. Cryptocurrency has gained immense popularity in recent years, and many people are eager to invest. But what about smaller amounts like 100 Rs? The good news is, yes, you can invest 100 Rs in cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin may seem out of reach due to its high price, there are plenty of other cryptocurrencies available at lower prices. These are called altcoins, and they offer a great opportunity for smaller investments. Some popular altcoins include Ethereum, Binance Coin, Ripple, and Cardano. To get started, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange platform. Look for a reliable and user-friendly platform that supports the altcoins you're interested in. Once you've created an account and completed the necessary verification process, it's time to deposit your 100 Rs. Most exchanges offer various deposit methods, such as bank transfers or digital wallets. Choose the method that works best for you and deposit your 100 Rs into your exchange account. Now comes the exciting part, buying your desired altcoin. Navigate to the trading section of the platform and search for the altcoin you want to invest in. Enter the amount you wish to purchase, which in this case is 100 Rs, and execute the buy order. Congratulations! You're now a proud owner of cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency investments can be highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate dramatically, and your investment value can go up or down. It's essential to do your research, understand the risks involved, and set realistic expectations. In conclusion, investing 100 Rs in cryptocurrencies is indeed possible. Altcoins provide opportunities for smaller investments, making it accessible to a wider range of people. Just remember to choose a reliable exchange platform, deposit your funds, and make informed decisions based on thorough research. That's it for today's video. We hope this information has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on cryptocurrency. Happy investing!